Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ashley. Today we are making potato pancakes. So for potato pancakes we need potatoes. I have about 4 potatoes boiled. We need 1 cup of cheddar cheese. We need cilantro, about 1 tablespoon. We need green chilies. We need green onions, about 2 tablespoons. We need cornstarch, about 1 tablespoon as well, and the dried spices. So we need half teaspoon of crushed chili peppers. We need a little bit of cumin seed cumin powder, which is about half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and what are you doing, Musa? And half teaspoon of mango powder. If you don't have mango powder, that's okay. You can skip that. Okay, everything goes in there, and then we need 1 egg as well.
Oh, you brought some there.
I did.
Yeah.
Okay, so make sure your hands are clean. So you're going to mix everything together. Okay.
I'm thirsty.
Okay.
Alright.
Now make sure it's mixed well.
It looks like flour. And it looks like flour.
Mix. Yeah, we have to mix really well.
Yep.
You can use a potato masher as well. I don't have one, so I'm just
Look like flour.
using my hand. Okay, our potatoes are ready. So what we can use ice cream scooper, or you can use your hand. This one,
like
it will be the exact
It's
same
made
shape.
of ice cream. It looks like ice cream. Oh, you're doing like ice cream. Oh, we're making ice. Oh, that's ice cream break.
That's okay.
The
Okay.
ice cream is
So the next step is I'm gonna get a plate from here. Now you're just going to press it down.
I want to press it down.
See that shape? And then you just dip it in breadcrumbs, okay?
Mama, I want to do it.
Okay, do one. Here, take one. Take one, Musa.
It is made of ice cream. What is it? What is it?
Oh,
Oh,
Musa, what did you do?
I spiked it. Ow.
You broke mine too. Musa is making a big mess.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to fry our potato pancakes. Okay, our potato pancakes are ready and kids are excited to try them. Do you want to try them? No? Yeah? Hadi already ate one. Here, he wants me to feed him. All right, let's try. Actually, let's try one with. We can show you how it looks like. Here you go, Hadi. Okay, I'm going to look at that. Okay, I'm going to try one. Do you like it? It's really good. Wow, it's so crispy. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make the potato cutlets chart or the potato pancakes chart. So let me show you how I'll do that. Since it's Ramadan, we are going to make potato pancakes chart. Okay, so we'll add some yogurt. This is just plain yogurt, okay? We'll add some chaat masala. This is the homemade chaat masala that we made for dahi bade. We'll add the tamarind chutney. Yummy? Hadi loves the potato pancakes. He ate almost 2 already. Now the green chutney. So the recipe for green chutney and tamarind chutney was in the same video as dahi bade, and now chaat masala. Now I'm going to add papri. Papri. Now a little bit of peanuts. Okay, the potato pancake chart is ready and I'm going to try. Wow, really good.